So the big thing here is to get the chicken kind of all the water taken off it. I did defrost this one with holding this one in the fridge. This is about a 2.3 kilo bird. So we're just sitting now getting it ready to go into the oven. I'm really going to do it simply. I'm just going to put chicken, and butter on top. So I'm just going to go and get the butter now. So quick tip for you, if your butter is as hard as mine is, it's best to run it through your hands kind of a couple of times. Yes, you'll end up with butter hands, but better to have butter hands than really hard butter. So you want to make sure that the whole breast is essentially covered in this stuff as much as possible. So just use your warm hands if you're like me and it's 8 o'clock in the morning now. Your hands aren't going to be too warm, especially after making that pancake mix. So you just want to try and get as much of it on the breast as you possibly can. The whole point of this is basically to keep it moist, also to get us really good crackling in the end, or crackling, really good skin, just in the same way as you would do with pork. The lady loves the, they say the lady loves milk tray, but my lady loves chicken skin, right? So I want to make sure that she gets all the chicken skin that she needs. One super important thing is to do the legs as well, right? Because you want the legs to be well covered too. It's really important. Legs are my favorite bit. I love the drum. The drumstick's my absolute favorite. Don't be afraid to put some in the middle as well here. Just make sure that the whole thing is covered in butter, and there's plenty of it. The thing about a roast dinner is, we're not going to eat all, I'm not going to eat the skin, we're not going to eat all the skin. It's very healthy. There's loads of protein because it's chicken. We've got really nice drumsticks, really nice wings below there. So this is going to do us for a few dinners, right? So that's the most important thing, is understanding that. Don't forget, if you've got chicken hands like I have, and I'm using this towel, don't use this towel for anything else, right? Just throw it out, because you're going to get contamination from the chicken itself, and nobody likes to sit in the toilet for 3 days. Let's be honest, nobody likes to do that. Then I'm going to salt it. You want to be liberal with your salt, okay? Because reason for that is because if you don't be liberal with your salt, then you're not going to get crispy skin. All of that salt needs to go through that bird. Look at the size of it, it's 2.5 kilos, right? So you're not going to be able to do that without salting it properly, so it goes the whole way right through the bird. So in this instance, don't be afraid of salt. It's very good for you, okay? So we're going to cook it for 40 minutes per kilo. So that's approximately 240s is 80 plus an additional 30 minutes, so it's 130 minutes in total. So that's 2 hours and 10 minutes in a 190-degree oven. And when it comes out, we'll portion it off and then get it ready for reheating for the dinner later.